Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this beautiful ombre, I think it's loose curl or loose wave, one of those curls, I think one of those patterns, and I think it is 5x5, but don't quote me on that. But the specs of the wig will be down in the description box. But before we jump into the installation of the wig and how I got the wig to look like this, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So inside the package they sent me some comb, some stocking cap, their rewards card, user guide, some headscarf, the wig labeler, some wig tapes, and of course the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. Now if you guys love to see how I ended up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
But I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, I declare this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, I declare this. You guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. wishing you was with me, living life so chill. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell them what you see, how I did it on the low. Don't tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga, fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the
This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to the wig will be down in the description box as always. I also have a coupon code and it will be down below as well. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, whole lot of red rubies on my neck.